In this video, we will learn how to architect robust cloud systems capable of surviving catastrophic infrastructure failures. Every minute your application remains offline directly translates into lost revenue and significant damage to your brand's reputation. Business continuity keeps your core operations running, while disaster recovery focuses on restoring your data after a critical failure. Building resilient systems transforms your technical infrastructure from a potential liability into a powerful competitive business advantage. Local backups protect against small errors, while geo-redundancy guards your critical data against massive regional catastrophes. Recovery time objective defines the absolute maximum duration your systems can remain offline before the business impact becomes unacceptable. Recovery point objective establishes the maximum amount of data you are willing to lose during a system failure. Mapping both RTO and RPO on a single timeline reveals the exact window of your system's exposure during an incident. We simulate a server crash to test how quickly your standby systems initiate automated recovery processes. Standby systems detect the primary failure and automatically route traffic to healthy secondary servers without manual intervention. Verification checks ensure that all services are restored and your data integrity remains completely intact after the failover. Clearly articulating these metrics helps stakeholders understand the tangible value of investing in redundant, high-availability infrastructure. Reliable systems must also comply with rigorous security standards like ISO 27001 to ensure total data privacy. Reviewing your service level agreement ensures that your cloud provider meets your specific reliability and uptime requirements. By defining these metrics, you now possess the essential skills to build and manage highly resilient cloud systems. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.